Let's now head into this newscast by bringing you the latest from Brazil. After months of downplaying the pandemic and flouting virus guidelines, Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro has now tested positive for COVID-19, a news that broke last week. Ironically, the same guidelines that he has ignored have now become an integral part of his life. The right-wing leader was seen taking some sun outside the presidential palace in Brazilia. In the video on your screens, Bolsonaro is even seen wearing a face mask. It's important to note that this is a precautionary measure that he has regularly flouted or dismissed before testing positive for the infection. According to insiders at his presidential palace, Bolsonaro is now working from a makeshift office at his residence. Since his diagnosis, Bolsonaro has held virtual meetings almost every day with his officials. And according to a member of the presidential medical team, he has also been taking hydroxychloroquine pills, an antiviral and an anti-malaria drug that he, like the US president, has actively advocated for. However, studies show that HCQ has no proven efficacy on the treatment of COVID-19 and can even cause side effects such as cardiac arrhythmia. The leader is also social distancing himself from his family and children to keep them safe. Bolsonaro's wife, Michelle Bolsonaro, and 2 daughters have tested negative for coronavirus. This new routine marks a stark contrast for the leader, who spent months attending rallies with his fans, heading out to food trucks, and was mostly seen without a face mask in public. This comes as Brazil is now the second worst affected country in the world with more than 1.8 million cases of coronavirus. But this is not the only problem for the right-wing leader as of now. The Brazilian Press Association filed a criminal complaint to the Supreme Court against the president. This comes after Bolsonaro took off his mask during the televised interview where he announced that he had tested positive for COVID-19. The Press Association has now accused Bolsonaro of at least 2 crimes relating to putting someone's life at risk and failing to prevent the spread of an infectious disease.